Hello everyone, this is Jeff Gross and welcome to another edition of CRMFYI Service Tips. Today I'd like to go through with you the compact feed layout as well as the new full width page layout within the feed view. Now as you see, this is the way that the console looks like today when you're in the service console in the feed view, and we have these areas up here that we've got icons that indicate what you could be posting within that publisher, and you have these areas over here where we can sort out the types of information that's in the feed view, but you can't really tell what these are, how they're different from each other. So let me show you what that looks like. And in fact, as we switch to the detail view, you'll notice that where I just was there, all of a sudden my box to switch it back to the feed view is way over here and it's moved around. So in order to bring those into the same place and to make this whole thing look better, here's what we're going to do. Click on the Edit Layout, and within this we're going to go to our feed view. Inside the feed view there are two new options for the feed view. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to enable full width within the console. Let's go ahead and hit Save. You'll also hit Save again here on your case layout. Now take a look at how within the feed view it's all the way across, and when I switch from detail view to feed view, they're in the same place. So my buttons are always going to be in the same place to be able to view that. Now in order to make this look a bit nicer though, it's nice that it's full width because I certainly would be able to see more information there. But what if we actually take this a little bit further now and enable the new look within here? So I go into Setup, go into Feed View, and now I put the check mark on here to enable the compact feed view in the console. Hit Save, and save one more time. And now this is where we get into the little more colorful way of doing it, and we see that these are actually collapsed in here. So we can actually expand it to view it, we can have it collapse so we can get a much easier view of what is it that's been going on. We see a circle around here instead of the square for who I am. We see a little icon here which indicates what type of event or activity it is. And we have color coded up here to be able to say, you know what, if I'm logging a call, this is the easy way to do it. Now I can have something I'm used to looking for, or if I'm going to change status, I always look for this orangish color up here, and I'm able to go ahead and change my status. You'll also see over here when you sort it by these post types, we'll get a much more compact view of that as well. But now we're seeing that the coloration here indicates that these can be expanded and that you're seeing everything. Hope you enjoy that. This is something that I think is useful for almost everybody, so I'd encourage you to go out and try it within the console. Take a look at how these can actually impact your teams. The viewing it by color so that it's much easier to recognize, as well as not having it all expanded so far down the page. I think this will really help you out. Keep watching for more tips, and thanks for watching today.